I think we all exist infinitely and eternally. So some aspect of our being, of our essence, but our physical formation, right, changes. It's temporal, but there's certain aspect of ourselves that is actually eternal. So and it's dualistic. So you have to have form and formless. You have to have life and death. So you have to exist eternally to exist temporal. Things are dualistic. Wherever you find one polarity, there's a polarity. Wherever you find one form, there's a polarity. There's a polar opposite end of the stick. So there's a polarity to create that balance. You can't have a light without dark. You can't have dark without light. So polarities are really contingent on each other. Right? So if we die, then we live. There's an aspect of us that has to live eternally because there's an aspect of us that's temporal. That's a whole deep philosophical question that requires all the.
Yeah, but if we can live forever,